Ladies and gentlemen, every YouTuber's dream. This is something a lot of YouTubers struggle to achieve in years, but I've been able to achieve in the past 28 days. And hold on, just to be sure that that's not a fluke, you can see currently showing on my screen is my dashboard, where I've been able to garner over 1 million views in the past 28 days. And you can see currently I have over 4,000 subscribers. And hold on, again, I'm going to refresh my screen just to prove to you that this is not some fluke. I've refreshed my screen. Also, if you follow this channel for a while, you would realize and agree with me that in the previous videos I've uploaded, it was not this much. I had somewhere around 3,000 subscribers and the views were somewhere around, I think, 800,000 thereabout. And currently we have grown, meaning that we're growing. In the past 3 days or so, we've been able to get over 400,000 new views. And that's what this video is about, me showing you how you can actually achieve this. Why stressing yourself and actually going through the turmoil of YouTube content creation and all that and not getting as much views, when there's actually a way you can go about this and achieve your target, get monetized, and start getting paid instantly. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do that. But again, if this is your first time on my channel, you might want to do yourself a favor and do me a favor to hit on the subscribe button, all right? Like this video and also hit on the notification button so that every time I share a video like this, you will be among the very first to get notified. Also, if you want me to do a one-on-one class with you, it's a paid class, all right? It's just $50. We could do that, all right? Where your journey is going to be faster. But again, if you do not have $50, just watch this video up until the end. And that's about all you need. Also, I need to tell you that everything I'm going to be sharing with you in this video is going to be progressive, meaning that I'm going to be starting from the least up until the most important, the least important to the most important. So you might not want to miss any step in your execution and in watching of this video. Without further ado, let's hop right in. And we both know that 100,000 views on YouTube videos is something every YouTuber seeks to achieve, all right? A lot of YouTubers have not been able to even get 100,000 views in the entirety of their channel, and that's really heartbreaking. I must admit. Recently, a YouTuber was actually celebrating how that she's been able to gather about 8 million views in the entire course of her channel that has been on for somewhere around 7 years. I mean, why wait until 7 years to get 8 million views when I actually did that in 28 days? And I've showed you proof how I've been able to do that. And also I got to get this, which is an indication that I've been able to monetize my channel and I'm already getting money and I'm getting paid every 21st of the month. So there are three ways you can actually get views or actually achieve this. First is by creating long form videos. Now, the challenge with creating long form videos is that it's going to take a lot of hard work, it's going to take a lot of time, it's going to require a lot of effort and diligence, especially because of the quality we want to create and also the quantity of videos you need to publish. So that is almost, it's a no way. The next thing is actually GTA videos, which are actually repurposing videos, taking videos that are already existing, repurposing them and publishing them on your channel. However, that also comes with some form of barrier, which is the fact that you might have an issue with monetizing on YouTube. And even if you get to monetize on YouTube, chances are that you're going to get demonetized, which is what has happened to a lot of my friends. And so my friend, I'll tell you for free that that is not the way to go. So what I'm about to teach you is simple. It's creating actually short videos, YouTube short. Now, one of the blessings that every YouTuber should celebrate is YouTube short. The fact that you can now create YouTube short is a blessing. Any niche you are actually on, any place you are in, YouTube short is the way to go right now. And how am I able to achieve that? Simple. You take certain AI and actually create short form videos. Now, there are various niches you can explore when it comes to creating short form videos, which you can go from the adventure, you can go to movie review, food review, book review. You can go to adventure, creating super story videos and all that stuff. But for me, I've been able to narrow it down to a couple of videos. So if you want to do long form videos and you want to get as much views, it will be simple. I would advise that you go for a story on African tales, telling African tales, which I have created a video like that. It's currently showing on my screen. All you have to do is to click on the description. You're going to see that video, or go on my channel. You're going to see a video having that thumbnail, and then just watch the video. You would understand how you can create long form video. It's called African story or African tales, beautiful stories. I've been able to show you everything you would do to create that step by step. Now, talking about short form videos, how do we create short form videos? Now, having chosen your niche, the next thing you want to do is to actually decide what you need to implement to actually get that done. For instance, I am currently into the adventure, which is talking about viral videos, DC movies, you know, Avengers, superheroes, and all that stuff, Spider-Man and the like. So that is what I do. So what you do is that you try to create videos, you create pictures using these superheroes, all right? And if you may, just turn these videos into some form of motion, put them together, and that's about all you need to do, and your short form video is ready. Now, without talking to advise that you watch this video on my channel, all right? The link of this video is in the description below, or probably just go to the channel and watch this video. There I actually showed how everything is done, how you can start your automation and do it one step after another. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you in my next video.